Paano nga ba kumuha ng student license at ano yung mga kailangan mo? To qualify for a student license, you should be at least 16 years old and above. You also need to present a copy of your birth certificate or passport kung ano man yung available. Kailangan mong pumasa at matapos ang 15 hours theoretical driving course. TDC is more of a classroom setup kung saan ka tuturuan about road safety and basic driving. Take note na iba to sa practical driving course. Yung practical driving course, kailangan mo yon kung magpapalit ka na from student to non-pro. Magkano nga ba kumuha ng theoretical driving course? It's 1,000 pesos. At kung gusto mo naman ng practical driving course, it ranges from 2,500 to 8,000 pesos. Once meron ka ng TDC certificate, just go to the nearest LTO branch, fill up the application form, and pay 318 pesos for your student permit. Take note na hindi ka pwedeng mag-drive mag-isa kung student permit lang yung hawak mo. You need to be accompanied by someone who has at least a non-pro driver's license.